Tim mar KCB RFC ong'ado tiko mar kuota fainols e tuke maga Kabeberi Sevens e tuke madhi nyime Nairobi. KCB ne ochako gi loch mar 51-0 kane giloyo Mina Machine eka gichaka giloyo Mombasa RFC points 31-0 e tugo mar ariyo. E tugo mar adek ne giloyo Nakuru RFC points 21-15. Kocha mar timno Andrew Amonde onyiso geno maduong' mar dhi kawo okombeno.
The boys came out focused on what they need to achieve, so we've marked our point heading to the next stage, so we'll keep on playing until we get to where we want to reach as a team. So our target was to get to our finals, but our main focus was to play a game at a time. So we are playing a game at a time as we continue going as a team. So it's for any team that makes the quarters, so we have to respect every team that is going to come our way. So we are just going to focus on ourselves, our strengths, on our weaknesses, what we can cover. And